Under the leadership of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, the Uttar Pradesh government is running several welfare schemes for the people of the state. As part of this, financial assistance is being consistently provided to patients suffering from serious illnesses. In the financial year 2024-25, the UP government extended 13.44 billion rupees to support the treatment of 66,874 patients.
हम लोगों ने राज्य सरकार के स्वास्थ्य के केंद्रों को भी उनके सुदृढ़ीकरण के दिशा में कदम बढ़ाए हैं। लखनऊ में एसडीपीजीआई, केजीएमयू और आरएमएल और अन्य हॉस्पिटल्स की सेवाओं में विस्तार किया गया। हमारे जनप्रतिनिधिगण या कोई पीड़ित स्वयं भी मुझे पत्र लिखता है कि मुझे उपचार करने के लिए मेरे पास और कोई माध्यम नहीं है, मुझे धनराशि चाहिए, तो मैं उन्हें धनराशि उपलब्ध करवाता हूं।
Shabbir Ahmed, a resident of Raebareli, earned a living driving a Tonga. But in 2019, he was diagnosed with cancer. The financial burden soon became overwhelming. In December 2024, Shabbir found support through the Chief Minister's discretionary fund. His son shared how this assistance made a significant difference in his father's treatment.
लखनऊ में डॉक्टर के यहाँ गए, वहाँ सरकार की योजना के बारे में पता चला गया, तो फिर फॉर्म वगैरह भर के सरकार के द्वारा 2.5 लाख रुपए इलाज के लिए मिला, तो थोड़ा हम लोग को राहत मिली। उसके बाद इलाज कराया गया।
In October 2024, 65-year-old Ram Suresh from Raebareli was diagnosed with a serious heart condition. Unable to afford the costly surgery, he sought help from the Chief Minister's discretionary fund. With government aid, a pacemaker was successfully implanted. Today, he is healthy and thankful for the support that saved his life.
हम गए डॉक्टर के पास और डॉक्टर के पास जाकर के वहाँ ऑपरेशन के लिए बोले। हमारे पास पैसा नहीं था, हम जो है योगी से योग किए, तो फिर हमें पैसा मिला और हम दवाई कराए।
Many others like Shabbir and Ram Suresh have benefited from the welfare schemes of the Yogi government. In just the first 43 days of the 2025-26 financial year, the government provided 1.53 billion rupees in financial assistance to 8,180 people in need. Thousands of patients suffering from cancer, kidney-related and heart diseases received much-needed relief. According to official data, 875 cancer patients received 212.3 million rupees, 246 kidney patients received 42 million rupees and 98 heart patients received 14.6 million rupees. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's initiative has not only provided treatment but also restored hope and a new lease of life to the needy.